The beginning, in fact, we thought we messed up, put us together. But we survived because we're survivors. We're all survivors. You're gonna make it. You're gonna all like each other.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Hiya Pedge, how you doing? Hope you're well. Just to remind you guys once again that DroidBuilders UK is broadcasting live on YouTube and Facebook this coming Saturday at 10 AM UK time. So do not miss out on our current auctions. The link is in the description. And up for auction is the Astromech R2D2 kit in Styrene. I think I'll just bid that one up. Sorry, Giles. And also on the auction site, there is a Roboteq. In fact, there's free Roboteq SBL 2360Ts. Take your droid from being ordinary to extraordinary with one of these fantastic speed controllers. So again, the links are in the description. Thank you so much to Blake at Roboteq for sending us these speed controllers. They will be in our auction on eBay. Check it out. Also, very quickly, thank you so much to our friends at 3Dfilaprint. They're also sponsoring this event. Make sure you check out their website and buy lots of filament from them. They are sponsoring the event, so you might find that there's some bits and pieces that come up for auction or giveaways. Also, in addition to that, Sideshow Collectibles are also on board with us. Make sure you check out their website and see what we have got coming up in our auction. Remember, guys, it's all for charity. There you go, that's me for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and also go over to DroidBuilders UK and hit their subscribe button as well. And 3Dfilaprint and Sideshow Collectibles. And we will see you Saturday at 10 AM with the big man Lee Towers in. Don't forget, vote for McMaster. And we will see you next time.